Hello friends, welcome to cloudakshay.com. So today we are going to learn the SAF attributes. What is SAF attributes and why it is used and who used the SAF attributes, and uh, we know all about this, the SAF attributes. So let's just start our video. So uh, please do subscribe my channel, and also you can join with this link t.me/cloudakshay. This is my telegram group link. You can join here for more updates. So let's start our today video. Chef attributes. An attribute is nothing but a key pair value which represent a specific detail about a node, and attribute are used by the Ceph client to understand the current state of the node. So why we need key pair value? Let's understand the scenario. Why we need the key pair value? Assume let's I have a 50 node server. This is my chef server. So why we need a key pair value? So this is my chef server, and this chef server have 50 nodes, 50 different nodes. So all node machines are here, 50 node machines connected to uh, this chef server. So all 50 nodes have different IPs, different host name, and also some different configuration with that. So why we need a key value pair or the attributes? So uh, this machine one have different IP, node 2 have different, node 3 have different, so all machine have some different IP. So if I write a code, if I write a code uh, for a machine, so this is my code, and here IP IP repeat in my code, IP repeated in 50 times, some key, some word repeat 1000 times. So if I need to change, if I need to change some words, so I do work for 1000 times. So that's why we I assign a key value. I assign a key value. Let's the machine IP. So I assign only the IP address. So it automatically pull the IP address of the machine. I I was not defined the particular IP for a particular machine. So I only define the key value is IP. It's automatically pull from the machine. So this is the thing, key value pair. That means I write a code for common that works on every machine. If I assign the particular IP here, that means it's work only the single IP, and it did not work on other machine. So that's why I need to assign key value pair. I did not repeat the same things 1000 time. I only changed the value. I only change the value. So I set value for that. So it automatically pulled up. So that's why we need key pair value. So it's work for all machines. So let's understand the scenario too. So if I have a code, if I have a code with 5000 pages, and in 5000 pages we have the company name 20,000 times. I have a company name like the CEO name 20,000 time in my code. If our company name is changed, if our company CEO is changed, then how it is possible to make changes in same file with different places. Now we use key value of attributes. So we need to define the attribute key value. That means machine changes accordingly, like name, host name, IP address. So attributes always stored in OHI. Need to write code in generalized form. Value is variable and key is fixed. Key is fixed and we can uh, set variable for value. So this is the scenario 2 we used for the key value pair. So our next question is that who used it? Who used Chef attributes? So Chef attributes is used by Chef client. Chef attribute is used by Chef client in Node, and why we use attributes. So second question is that why we use attributes. So why we use attributes to determine the current state of the node. We use chef attributes for the determine the current state of the node, and also what was the state of the node at the end of previous chef client run. So for to know the previous stage to know the previous state of the node when the last time chef client run. And third is uh, what the state of the node should be at the end of current chef client run. So what what will be the current state when chef client run. So if you don't understand the things, please check my previous videos. I already upload 3 videos on the same on the chef. So this is the fourth video. If you don't understand the current state, chef client, and the node, so please check my previous video. So let's talk about the chef attributes. So types of chef attributes. There are 6 type of chef attributes. So chef client use 6 types of attributes to determine the value. This is applied to a node during the chef client run. Attributes types is being used only for setting presence. So I write here all. So 6 types of attributes. First is default. Second is force default. Third is normal, and fourth is override. Fifth is force override. Sixth is automatic. So so there are six type of attributes. One is default, which is least priority, and forced default is higher than default. Normal higher than forced default, and override priority higher than normal, and force override higher than override, and automatically higher priority. So this is the six our types of attribute. So automatic is a high priority. I write here and also I write here. And this is the least priority. So it means if a code start with the default attributes, and after that uh, in a code start with force defaults, so force default override the default code. And also if uh, automatic attribute available, so it's override all the attributes. So let's talk about the who defines chef attributes and source of the chef attributes. So I write here who define attributes. So first is node defines, or node is the source of attributes. So collected by OI at the state of each chef client run. And second is cookbook, defines in attributes file. And third is roles and environment. When we create environment and roles, so we define the attributes. And also in recipes, so when we write recipes, so we can define the attributes. So these are the five who defines the chef attributes and also the source of attributes. So let's see some example of attributes. So we use this for IP address to know the IP address of my node machine, and we can also use node bracket colon MAC address to know the MAC address of my machine. And also we can use same node host name. So we use this type of attributes in our code, in our recipe, in our cookbook. So uh, the attributes work for all nodes. If I execute this type of command or this type of Ruby code, so it's worked for all. Uh, this is the key, and value is given by the node, so it automatically redirect to the node machine and take the proper value of IP address. So this is the example of attribute. So we will learn in upcoming videos. So please do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.